still works the same way even if you have negatives in the exponent. Now remember, they have to have the same base. Like for something like this rule does not apply here because for these two exponents, the bases, which are 7 and 6, are not the same. So they have to apply, these laws only apply to exponents of the same bases. So if we have a negative in the exponent, that gives us 7 to the power of 3 plus negative 2. Or excuse me, minus negative 2. Because we want to bring down our form. My purpose of showing you this, we keep our form the same. So here, m is 3. And n is negative 2. You have to count the negative with that number. N is negative 2. Notice how our form is, we still subtract whatever n is from m. Even if n is a negative, then you're going to subtract the negative number. You have to keep the form the same. So here, you get 7 to the power of 3 plus 2. Or 7 to the power of 5. We have 7 cubed over 7 squared, which gives you 7 to the 5th power. Or 7 to the power of negative 2. Now, if we continue on, also I want to show you 3 to the power of negative 3 to the power of 5. Now, this is applying the power law again. Now we divide using the power law. That's going to give you 3 to the power of negative 3 times 5, which is 3 to the power of negative 15. Now, 3 to the power of negative 15, that gives us 1 over 3 to the power of 15. Now, if I'll say we take 10 to the power of 0 times the number, the product is identical to the other number. Remember, because 10 to the power of 0, that equals 1, or any number to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So, because 10 to the power of 0 equals 1, this is like multiplying 1 times that number, which it does not change. Multiplying a number by 1 does not change the number. We're going to talk about powers of 10 with negative exponents. We got 10 to the power of negative 1. That gives you 1 over 10 to the power of 1, which equals 1 over 10, which equals 0.1. So anytime you divide a number by 10, you move the decimal place once to the left. So 1 equals 1.0. That's what a decimal place is for 1. So 1 divided by 10 equals 1.0 divided by 10. Now to divide a number by 10, you move the decimal point one place to the left. See, 1 divided by 10 is 0.1. Let's talk about 2, or any number. Let's say 3. 3 equals 3.0. So 3 divided by 10 equals 3.0 over 10. To divide a number by 10, you move the decimal place once to the left. So that gives you 0.3. See? Now, let's say if you have 10 to the power of negative 2, that equals 1 over 10 to the power of negative 2, or excuse me, 2 to the power of 2, which equals 1 over 100, which gives us 0.01. Now to multiply any number by 100, you have to shift the decimal place 2 times to the left. I tell you, shift your decimal point 2 times to the left. That gives you 0.01. Ten to the power of negative 3 equals 1 over 10 to the power of 3, which equals 1 over 1,000, equals 0.001. And the pattern continues just like this. Now here to multiply a number, to divide 1 by 1,000, you move the decimal point from the right of 1 3 places to the left, because the 3 tells you how many times to move the decimal place to the left. The negative sign tells you that we're moving to the left, that you're moving the decimal point to the left. Now here we use the decimal point shift method